Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a big question a lot of freelancers are asking. Is AI taking away freelance jobs on Upwork and Fiverr? With ChatGPT, Midjourney and Canva AI popping up everywhere, some people are freaking out while others are making more money than ever. So in this video, I'll break down what types of freelance jobs AI is replacing, which jobs are actually thriving because of AI, and how you can stay relevant, stand out and succeed on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr even in 2025 and beyond. Let's get into it. Is AI taking freelance jobs? The simple answer is yes. Yes, AI is taking some jobs, and let's be honest, some jobs are disappearing or paying way less because of AI. For example, when it comes to blog writing, many clients now use ChatGPT to write articles instead of hiring writers for $50 to $100 per post, or depending on your expertise, $1,000 per post. Number 2, basic graphic design. With tools like Canva AI and Midjourney, they can generate logos, YouTube thumbnails, or even social media graphics in minutes. Why would a client hire you when they can do that by themselves? Simple transcription and subtitling. Instead of hiring a transcriber, people are using tools like Whisper, Otter AI, 11 Lab Scribe. So some of these jobs have disappeared because of all that. Product descriptions or resumes. Clients are using AI to crank out text fast, and all they want the freelancer for is to polish it up and make edits that suit that particular description or resume. So yeah, if you're offering something basic, generic, or easy to automate, you're likely feeling the pressure. But here's the good news. AI is also creating new jobs. And let's just be honest, it's time to flip the script. AI is opening doors if you know where to look. Here are 5 freelance gigs that are booming because of AI. Number 1 is AI prompt engineering. And an example here is selling custom GPT prompts for marketing, customer service, or niche content. Some freelancers charge $50 to $200 for prompt packages. Number 2, AI training or setup. You can teach a business owner how to use tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney. Most of the clients really don't know how to use some of these AI tools that are available. So you can do 1-hour AI coaching call, and these gigs are everywhere now. Number 3, AI voiceovers and videos. Tools like 11 Labs are really great at creating voiceovers, and there are a ton of them, Descript and all that. And you can use them to create voiceovers. Other clients want avatars, and you can use tools like Synthesia to generate videos for you in minutes. Now, clients love fast turnarounds, and you can provide the creative touch. Number 4, AI image and content generation. An example is, I'll create 10 Midjourney AI images for your blog or brand. And yes, these are gigs you can set up on places like Fiverr or services on Upwork. Pair this with Canva to create scroll-stopping visuals. So that's 4. 5, editing AI-generated content. Now, clients use ChatGPT to write fast drafts, but still hire freelancers to improve the tone, fact-check, and add a human emotion. Now, that's the whole truth. Now, you'll notice some smart freelancers are now marketing themselves like AI-powered, human-edited copywriting, Midjourney art plus Photoshop polish, ChatGPT content plus SEO expert reviewer. Now, what's the secret? Combine AI and your skill set. So, you kind of combine ChatGPT content, and then your skill set is an SEO expert reviewer. So those are some of the jobs that are actually coming up because of AI. But how do you stay relevant in this landscape that is changing as a freelancer? What do you do when you feel stuck? Here are 4 practical tips to protect your freelance income or even grow it. Number 1, you need to niche down. AI struggles with emotion, nuance, and expertise. I'm almost sure this will not be for long, but for the time being, it does struggle with some of that. So focus on a niche like legal copywriting, spiritual design, or software as a service email funnels. but I'm almost sure software as a service email funnels might actually be overtaken by AI soon. Number 2, use AI to work faster. And that, what do? Let AI handle the boring stuff so you can focus on creativity and strategy. Example, you can use ChatGPT to outline blog posts and then add your expert touch. So they do this really, really well. Number 3, market yourself differently. Say you offer AI assisted services instead of competing with AI. Clients want speed and quality. Just give them both. Learn and evolve. Staying updated is the name of the game. With AI, you have to learn and evolve. So test new AI tools and see what gigs are trending. Follow AI creators, read newsletters, and experiment. Experiment. So what does the future look like? The truth is, AI isn't here to take your job. It's here to take the job of freelancers who refuse to evolve. Think of it like this. When Photoshop came out, traditional artists felt threatened. But those who learned how to use it became more in demand. Same story today. So, is AI taking away freelance jobs on Upwork and Fiverr? Yes, but mostly low value, generic type of jobs. So if you specialize, evolve, and use AI as a tool instead of fearing it, you'll be ahead of 90% of freelancers out there. Let me know in the comments, has AI affected your freelance work? Are you using it in your workflow? And if you want a video on 10 freelance gigs you can start using today using AI, drop a fire in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching and keep creating smarter, not harder. Catch you in the next one. Bye.